Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus Property Management showing off 96-98 Boutwell Street, Unit 1, located in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment located on the first floor. Now before I begin the walkthrough, I would like to remind everybody to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel, where you can view this listing at any time and any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you. So we're going to begin the walkthrough in the living area. As you can see, the apartment features a nice hardwood flooring in the living area as well as the bedrooms, along with a nice fresh coat of paint, plenty of windows to outlook onto the street. And the apartment also features gas baseboard heat throughout the apartment, plenty of outlets in here if you'd like to set up an entertainment system. And this apartment also features a nice private entrance over here, only accessible to the first unit. Very nice. All right, next up we are going to move into the first bedroom, which is located over here on the left. As stated before, these do feature hardwood flooring along with the fresh paint throughout, gas baseboard heat, a couple outlets in here, and over here I'll show off the closet space in this bedroom. Very nice, very spacious, can house whatever you need in here. All right, next up I will show off the bathroom real quick. Located over here. Once again, fresh paint. This room does feature tile flooring, along with the gas baseboard heat, as you can see right there. Nice little sink set with some cabinets underneath, and plenty of mirror space up above. And as you walk into your apartment, you will be greeted by the Nexus welcoming package, bringing you into the apartment. And over here is the full tub with the shower. Very nice, very spacious. Has the glass doors, which are always neat. All right. Awesome. Next up, I will show off the dining area. As you can see, nice tile flooring throughout, the gas baseboard heat with some outlets, and the large size refrigerator. Very nice. Very spacious in here. Should be able to fit a dining set in here, no problem at all. And it does lead to all the other rooms in the apartment as well. Nice central area. Awesome. Next up, I'd like to show off the renovated galley kitchen area with the brand new cabinets up above and below, along with the beautifully done backsplash, along with the double bin stainless steel sink, brand new, countertops, very nice, and the gas stove over here with the nice exhaust fan up above. Once again, I'd like to state that this bathroom, or this kitchen I should say, has recently been redone, renovated, and it looks lovely in here. Very nice job. All right. Next up is the second bedroom. Once again, hardwood flooring, fresh paint, gas baseboard heat, plenty of privacy back here, seeing as you are in the far rear of the building, and the large closet space in here as well. Should be able to fit a standard size bed, even a queen size bed in here, no problem, along with some pieces of furniture. Very nice. All right. And last up but not least is the third bedroom, which features a nice double door over here. Allows for plenty of entryway. Once again, hardwood floorings, the fresh paint throughout. Once again, privacy in back here as well. And the large closet space in here. Once again, can fit plenty in here, no problem, with some extra shelf space up above. Plenty of outlets in here as well. All right. And once again, this is 96-98 Boutwell Street, Unit 1, located in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And I would like to remind everybody to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel, where you can view this walkthrough at any time and any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much.